Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to insert a header or footer in Microsoft Word. In this video, you will learn: insert a header or footer, edit header and footer, different first page, remove header or footer. Insert a header or footer. To insert a header or footer, select Insert tab. Select Header. A drop box will open, and you can choose some built-in header templates including blank template. Similarly, you can add footer. Make sure Insert tab is selected. Select Footer. A drop box will open, and you can choose some built-in footer templates. Edit header and footer. You can edit header and footer by double-clicking within the specific area. For example, for header, double-click within the header area. You can insert, edit, format text, insert date, company logo, page number and whatever you want. Similarly, you can edit footer. Different first page. In some cases, you need first page without header and footer. Examples are title pages, cover pages and table of contents pages. You can remove header and footer from your first page. To do that, double-click inside the header. In the Header Footer tools, select Design. Select Different Design First Page. Notice, header and footer are removed only from first page. Remove header or footer. To remove header, make sure Insert tab is selected. Select Header. Select Remove Header. To remove footer, make sure Insert tab is selected. Select Footer. Select Remove Footer. Use Microsoft Word header and footer. Add your logo and organization name, as well as the author's name to give readers a good experience. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.